guys, it's Kimmy. I know you're here for the video and I'm gonna let you get right to it. But first, I have to tell you about the Notary Business Success Mentor Program if you have not heard. And it includes everything you need to get started in your business to teach you how to properly notarize using our course, Notarize Like a Pro. Apostilles, field inspection, ink fingerprinting, you name it, we got you covered. So check it out, including weekly live trainings and a 7-day-a-week chat. Oh yeah, you heard it right, 7 days. So check it out, notaryeducators.com. Bye. Enjoy the video. Educators with Kimmy. Hey, Mr. John. My neighbor. Hey guys. Welcome to those who will watch the replay, those who will listen to the podcast. I am live. I'm sitting outside today. It's such a beautiful day. And before the rain hits, I'm like, let me go out here and get some of this fresh air. So if you've not been outside today, let's do it. So I thought I would hop on live really quick though, because many of you were like, Kimmy, I missed the live on Friday night. I thought it was on YouTube. So I said, let me go live for a minute just to kind of talk about what happened last night, what we talked about. And, just kind of catch up. So I'll let YouTube notify a few of you, see who hops on. I know it is Saturday afternoon, so I'm going to still leave my little speech here. Just to tell you what happened last night. Hey, we got somebody. Welcome, y'all. So, yeah, last night, though, we had a live Q&A. And, oh, it's Lisa. Hey, Lisa. You like me today? You're not doing too much? Hey, S. Abdul. What's going on with you? What's up? What's up? Yeah, so I had a few minutes and I was just going to recap what happened last night. And it's so beautiful outside. I don't have any plans today. I actually did go somewhere this morning, so that's why I'm still kind of dressed. And hey, everybody, welcome, welcome. So I was like, I'll just sit outside and we'll chit-chat a little bit. Don't have a topic. I always got a story, something will come up. Did my clients early today. Oh, that's cool, Lisa. I love when I can do that, make my money early in the day. And the rest of the day is free. I am open on paper. On my Google page, I'm open till 8. So somebody may call me still. The day is young. That happens all the time. I'm thinking, oh, I'm cool, I'm chill. I'm open 7 days a week. Not sure what your schedules are, but I am open 7 days. I typically, actually on my Google page, oh, Lisa's open till 9. I'm open till 8. I'm open till 8. And I usually change it when the weather starts changing, when it starts getting darker earlier, but so far I still left it at 8 because it gets dark around 8. So I typically will be open until 8 o'clock. But people do call. Literally, they call every day, all day, 7 days a week too. Hey, Lori W, what's up, girl? How are you? Yes, I am open 7 days a week. Like I said, 9 till 8. There are other people in the area that start earlier than me. I got one person, he's 24 hours. So, so I always tell people to put what you can actually work. Some people want to put 24 hours. They've learned that on another channel or something. I'm a firm believer and only put what you can actually work. Because if somebody calls you at 3 o'clock, they're expecting you to answer the phone at 3 o'clock. Hey, Ingrid, what's up? What's up? Yeah, they're expecting you to pick up the phone. So anyway, if you don't take nothing else today, I think you should put what you can actually work. It may be like someone asked a question last night, and I get this question quite often too. If I work full time, how do I start a notary business? You know what? Let's talk about that for a minute. And we got a few people here that are in mentorship and they are working full time and they go to school and they still raising families and still doing their business. So a lot of times, guys, I won't say you're making excuses. I won't say that because it's hard when you work more than one thing. It's hard, okay? Be it school, be it work, your family, whatever the second thing may be. It's hard. But if we want something better, we still got to do it. It doesn't change the fact, that, yeah. And I'll go a little deeper with that because I know a lot of people sometimes they've had a rough life and they're like, man, I've been through this, I've been through that. But, Georgia Power don't care what you've been through. When you get ready to go out there and pay your bills, nobody really cares what you've been through. So I'm not being insensitive right now, but I'm just speaking facts. And you know this, if you are a woman or a man and you lived a little life and you got a story, because we all got one, and we're trying to garner sympathy why we can't do this or why we can't do that. It's not easy. It's not easy. So I will say, and again, I'm not being insensitive, but no one's going to build your business for you. Nobody's coming to help you. We can see that now with what's going on in the news, right? Right now, a lot of people wish they did have something that they could fall back on. And we're not saying it to say, well, I got something you don't. But what I am saying is now's the time to start building something. Don't wait till something happens and then say, oh, I wish I shoulda, woulda, coulda. A lot of y'all sitting on y'all commissions right now and you could be making money. You might be furloughed, you might be laid off, you might be getting terminated. If you're working for the government, we just don't know. You just don't know. But I know a lot of y'all have y'all commissions. I know that. I get texts and messages all day long in my comments. I got my commission. I don't know what to do. I got my commission. I'm scared. I got my commission. You know, Stop being scared. Let's make some money. Let's learn the business. Invest some time. It doesn't take a lot, but you do have to invest some time and energy. That's what we talked about last night. It's not just going to happen. You have to grow the business yourself. Even if you join the program, which I'll tell you about our mentorship program, even if you join it and you don't do anything with it, you're not going to grow. It's just as simple as that. When I was growing my business, it take our old trainer, Angela, me and her be cracking up because she like, Kim, you at the hospital, you taking calls. Yep, I have my earpiece in my ear making appointments. Making appointments. I walk around the hospital. I worked at Children's Healthcare of Atlanta. I'm gonna get these comments right quick. But I worked at Children's Healthcare of Atlanta for 8 years, and I worked there on the weekends and evenings. I love weekends and evenings because I hate traffic. Hated traffic. Plus, I would get what's called shift differential. So I love working evenings and weekends, right? Hit the like button for me. Thanks. Appreciate it. Subscribe, all that good stuff. But anyway, I'll be walking around the hospital talking to my clients. I'm like, hey, welcome to Children's or whatever I got to do. And I got my earpiece in my ear. The phone's ringing and zinging. I'm like, hold on, y'all. I'll step to the side, make that appointment. Oh, you need somebody when? And see, my other blessing was because my husband is a notary too. So I would say, hey, can you get this job? Or even if I couldn't do it and he could not do it, I would refer it out to Angela. I refer it to somebody in the area. So somebody getting that money, okay? But yeah, I was working, so I can speak to this a little bit. I did not work full time, but I worked a lot. And I had my mom with me, so I was about it though. I'm just that person. So everybody's bent and created a little bit different, But I'm like, if I really want something, I'm about to make it happen. Like right now, guys, I am so pleased. I'm not gonna now. Well, I'll talk about it. I've been talking about it, but I just finished recording. I started a new project. I had a business channel. You guys know that. Business Life with Kimmi. But I'm revamping it. I'm changing the name of it. I already changed it actually a couple months ago, but I just haven't felt like doing anything with it. I had to be inspired to actually make some moves. And I had somebody create my logo for me. And I looked at the logo and I was like, okay, I like this. It's different for me. But my new channel is called Creators Club with Kimmi. And it's already out. Like I said, it's already got people on it because it was called Business Life. But I'm going in a different direction over there because I was going to just talk about business. But the older I get, and I'm really talking to older people, and let's say people from like that 35 to 60-ish, y'all got stuff to talk about, but you're scared of social media, okay? You're scared of social media. You don't want to show your face. You don't want to talk. We don't communicate anymore, but that's where the money is, okay? That's where the money is. So I want to teach people how to make some of that digital money. That's what that channel was all about. Creators Club with Kimmi. So how to do an ebook, how to write a course, how to talk, how to speak to people, how to create marketing stuff. I mean, everything that I've done in my business, and you guys know I love talking business. I talk it here too with you guys here on the Notary channel. But I want to deep dive. And I want to get to where I can talk to anybody. So right here, if I talk about anything other than notary here, even though you're growing businesses, people are like, whoa, I want to talk about that. Even though you're growing businesses, it fascinates me. I don't understand that. We're growing a business here. So you would think I would be able to merge the two on this channel, and I can't. So anyway, my other outlet is Creators Club with Kimmi. So it was notary. It was called Business Life with Kimmi. Now it's all K's, and it's Creators Club with Kimmi. And I just love it. So feel free to go ahead and subscribe. Coming soon. I just recorded 3 of the courses. And that too will be where I take people weekly to build out their digital business. And I'm so excited about it.